my dad said that we're carrying the Knott's Berry Farm cup, I'm like, we're going to Knott's Berry Farm! So we're going to Knott's Berry Farm. So I hope you keep on watching. Let's go. So there is a lot of traffic. We just got on the freeway and we picked up some breakfast, Jack in the Box, and we were watching my vlog that my dad just posted about December. And make sure you guys donate because they are trying to feed 50,000 kids with $500,000 and they're trying to get there. So the weather is really cold here in the winter, but there's no snow. That really upsets me though, because I really want snow here. But it's like in the 60s here, but in the morning it's like in the 50s, and then like at night it gets even colder. You guys are probably still wondering why I'm sitting in the car seat and I'm 10 years old. Well, I'm 10 years old, but when you see me in person, I look like I'm 7 or 8. So let me tell you the story why I still sit in the car seat. So I'm always on the road going to a dance class or going to an audition for acting, and we're always on the road. So then at night, we always get home late. So this is what I do, sleep. But sometimes I don't sleep because, you know, I'm always on my dad's phone watching like video games. So, and before I wasn't using a car seat, so I just sat on the regular seat, and once I slept, my head was like all the way down there. So my mom and dad just got me a car seat so I could just sleep like this. So my head wouldn't hurt. So, and there's like a cushion right here, so I can sleep on it, and it's really nice and soft. And I really love this car seat. And that's the story on why I still sit in the car seat. We are going to Knott's Berry Farm! And my dad was lying to me this whole time. He was like, no, we're not going to Knott's Berry Farm. I'm like, I know when you're lying when I see it, because he was like, nah. Because whenever he smiles, I know he's lying. So here is the medieval time. I think this is where we went for father-son time and for a school, and we were the yellow team. Right, Dad? Is this the place where we went for medieval times?
Right.
Yeah.
You are right.
And then we were the yellow team. And there's the rides over there. And I will never go on the, I can't go on the big ride because I'm too short. I mean, I will grow when I get older, but I can't go. But I really am looking forward to if I could go on Silver Bullet, because I really want to go on Silver Bullet and I've never been on Silver Bullet before. So let's see if I'm tall enough. And let's see if they take my hair. I hope they take my hair so I could be tall enough. Because last time when I went to John's Incredible Pizza, we went on if any of you guys went on to John's Incredible Pizza, the spinning ride, you guys know what I'm talking about if you've been there. I forgot what it's called because I haven't been there in forever. So I remember that, and this guy, he measured me and he said I could go because I had my hair up. I'm like, oh, okay, so I'm tall enough now, but it was like, okay, say it was at least this tall, and then I was like this tall, and my hair was like this, and then he let me go in, and my hair just makes me taller. That's what my friends and other people I know say. It just makes me taller. We're back at Knott's Berry Farm, and behind me is Ghost Rider. It's one of my all-time favorite roller coasters, and I can't wait to go on that one today. And we are going to meet up with some of my friends or some of my mom's friends, and we're going to have a lot of fun today. So let's go.
Hi guys! Who do I hug first? Oh my gosh, look at you! You look
Okay, so we just met up with my friends, Tiffany. Come here. Tiffany, and then Sushi.
She's playing games.
Sophia. She's playing on her DS. And we are about to go inside, and let's go do this. So the tickets are from Miss Rebecca, Sushi's mom, and I'm so glad that we got to come here and have fun with Sushi and Tiffany, and we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Make sure you keep on watching, and let's just go inside and have some fun. Today we are hanging out with Tiffany C, and whenever I just made this joke up, I'm like, when we go to her work, I'm like, can we go see Tiffany? Get it? Her last name is C. See my sushi day.
Alright guys, here you go.
And I have a lot of fun. Yes. Look at. Oh, I want to go in there.
Here you go, baby.
Hey, did you know that we are now inside of Knott's Berry Farm, and if you have not been to Knott's Berry Farm, here's the map. And if you can't, if I take it away too quickly, you can just pause the video so you can see it. And we're just here to ride some rides, so let's go ride some rides.
Alright, where do you guys want to go?
That one's too accelerator. I don't want. I mean, I can go on accelerator, but I don't want to. No way. If you can go on this, I mean, you can go on accelerator. No, I mean, I really want to go on accelerator. That one's too scary. It's scary. Where's the? It looks too much. Yours is too much for you? Oh yeah. I have a limit. Okay, we're gonna go measure ourselves at Silver Bullet. Oh, I can make it. I can make it. And now that I can bring my like high top. You sure? I don't think I'm fine yet. You should at least just measure yourself in the face. Nope, you're not tall enough. Right here. I don't know how tall I am. I'm not tall enough. We just measured ourselves, and me and Sushi are still not tall enough to ride it. But we just have to wait again, and I waited a year. So I guess we have to wait a couple more months until we go again, or a couple more years until I go again. That was my mission day. San Luis Rey. I was actually on that way to go back to San Francisco into my well, I'm gonna go into Jaguar, and it's kind of like it's kind of scary. We're gonna go Jaguar. We're playing Pokemon Go while we're waiting. And if you guys haven't watched my vlog yet, go watch the Pokemon vlog. Wait, that reminds me. I haven't even finished it yet, so you can't even watch it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Baby.
Watch it get faster.
was that?
It's fun. Oh, your hair's fine. Your hair's fine. How does my hair look? I think my hair's fine. Yeah.
That was good, huh?
Oh, that's fine.
Let's go again.
One more time.
How do your hair?
It was kind of fast, but not that fast. And she was like,
But my hair's okay. We're good. We're good.
yeah, she's fine. We're fine, guys. We're fine. Now we're trying to look for another ride. Yeah, I want to.
You guys know. I don't know what to do.
I just want to volunteer. Let's just going to hat dance. Happy Hop. And we are going to hat dance. Craziest one out of mine. You had to roll. I had to. You know. That's a black.
What color we get?
Blue. My favorite color. My favorite color is gold. Gold? And silver. Silver and gold. They've been stalking you your whole Carolina. Stalkers.
Top.
They know my favorite colors. Gold, silver, and blue. Say, how did they know? How did they know? They've been stalking you. How? Yes, Dad, you are awesome.
Slowly, let me do that.
Okay, we're doing a little bit of Teen Titans High School. When I say I want, you say pie. I want pie. I want pie. When I say yummy, you say pie. Yummy, pie. Yummy, pie. That's really it. And then there's one. I'm super hungry.
Oh my gosh,
So I'm just eating banana right now. That's Montezuma's Revenge. That's the one I was talking about. The one that burst you, like, the one that I wanted to go on. So we are going to grab some lunch. We are here at Panda, and what I like about Panda is the honey walnut shrimp and the chow mein. That's what I get. That was my high score. No, that's mine. Oh. I beat. Don't screw squad. We found our next ride, and the next ride is Voyage to the Iron Reef. And I had to explain the whole thing to Sushi. It's kind of like a shooting game, and we're shooting like robotic things. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that there is like no more animatronics. No, there's no animatronics. There's no animatronics. But there is like a mermaid that you have to kill and freeze. You have to try and freeze it and kill it. Wait, but why a mermaid? Because that's what the game is. Why can't it be a merman? Finally, almost on the ride. It took like 16 hours. Yeah, it took 16 and a millimeter second. Yeah, bro. 16 and 5. Finish the ride, and guess what's at the bottom of the ride? Arcade. We were gonna go watch Snoopy on ice, but the line is too long, so we're just gonna go ride some more rides. Aidan. Pass it off again! Finally, I got this pigeon. Okay? t-shirts over here because I know this part. We are going through Ghost Town, but there is a lot of people here. I don't know why it's Ghost Town when there's a lot of people. Because you know, Ghost Town is where no one lives there, no one goes there. But there's a lot of people here, and it's a ghost town. So I have no idea what to say about that.
Where are you guys going now?
Going to Ghost Rider. This is the guy that talks to us when this is the guy in jail that talks to us.
Let's go back to
Were you sitting over there right now? I just saw you.
Way to call him out.
Hello. But your mouth isn't moving.
Well, it's because I've learned to become a ventriloquist.
What does that mean?
That's a person that can talk without moving their lips.
Do you like Harry Potter?
Oh boy.
Who's that?
It's a wizard.
He's been in jail. How is he supposed to know who that
I've
is?
never heard of a wizard.
Harry Potter is the best human being.
It is.
Yeah. Kind of. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
How long have you been in here? How long have you been in here?
How long have I've been in here a long time. I don't even remember how long.
Oh. Have a good
I
day.
have a calendar so I forget what day it is.
Say goodbye.
Have a good day. Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye, guys.
At Jen, our favorite Korean barbecue place to eat at, but not at the one that we always go to. It's like the one in Cerritos. Yes,
I know.
we're waiting for dinner, and this is how long the wait was going to be at Ghost Rider, but a little bit longer. So we're just waiting to eat. I'm so hungry. Sushi, you hungry? Oh yes. You hungry?
Always.
You hungry? I was hungry at night. Dad, you hungry? Am I hungry? Yes. Everyone is hungry.
Go.
You look like you're having a seizure.
Oh, they only have ice cream. We're finally gonna eat, and we're finally seated. So hungry. We're all so hungry because I have to eat.
Really?
Go ahead.
I'm eating intestines, but when she eats intestines, she feels guilty. It looks like we.
Tell me what you're eating.
It looks like a peas when you put it on. I had the best time hanging out with Sushi and Tiffany. I got to ride all the rides that I wanted to ride. I got to eat KBBQ. It was so good. I'm so stuffed. I want to redo this day because it was so fun. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.